Welcome back. Are you ready to learn the ins and outs of line of credit? That being said, let's start with what exactly is a line of credit. A line of credit is kind of like a credit card. You can borrow money from your line of credit whenever you need. However, there is a borrowing limit. A line of credit may also be called a personal line of credit when it's borrowed from one person rather than a company. It's mainly used for home renovations, projects with unknown costs, and unexpected vehicle expenses. Now, what is a personal line of credit for? A line of credit is a type of loan that lets you borrow money up to a set limit. You don't need to use these funds for specific expenses. So say your car comes up and you need to do that, you can spend it on that. Say you're a little short on grocery money this month, you can use them on that as well. A line of credit may be a secured loan or unsecured loan. And honestly, what does that mean? So secured loan involves putting up an asset as collateral. So this would be putting up like your car, your house, etc. Failure to repay this type of loan will enable your lender to seize this collateral. Unsecured loans, this doesn't mean like they're not safe, it just means that they don't require you to put up your home or your car for collateral. Instead, the lender has a process that will review your application and determine the likelihood of repayment by whoever is putting in the application. At NetPay Advance, we do unsecured loans, so that means we don't ask for collateral when it comes to borrowing from us. Again, unsecured loans does not mean it's not safe, it just means that we don't ask collateral. So a line of credit is considered a form of revolving credit. Credit cards are another form of revolving credit, so you can withdraw or use it as many times as you need to, as long as you don't go over your set limit. Here at NetPay Advance, we do have multiple states that we can lend for line of credit.
It can stay open for a long time,
as long as you pay the monthly minimum payment. Other line of credit lenders may have a draw period, which is a time frame in which you can borrow and repay freely. There's also a repayment period in which you can't borrow anymore and you must repay the remaining balance. Now you may be wondering, who qualifies for a personal line of credit, and is it really hard to get one? That being said, first things first, you'll go to our website, netpayadvance.com, and then you'll complete our quick and easy application. That takes roughly 5 minutes. Make sure you do have your bank information handy because you will be needing that in order to fill out our application. Next, you will either get a yes, you are approved, or unfortunately, we can't approve you at this time. There is multiple reasons why you would not get chosen for a loan. Like it could be as easy as you're not in a state that we can lend to. But that being said,
if you are approved,
you can either get funds quickly deposited via instant deposit, but in order to get this, you do have to have a valid debit card on file, or you can get next day's funding. Another question we often get is, can I withdraw cash from a line of credit? You can use your online account or our Cash Advance app to withdraw money when you need it quickly. Same day or next business day funding is available based on eligibility. There is a minimum draw amount of $50. However, there's no limit to the number of times a customer can draw money while staying within their available credit limit. You may be thinking to yourself, my credit's not the best, so am I still able to get a personal line of credit for bad credit? You can qualify for a personal line of credit with bad credit, good credit, or even no credit at NetPay Advance. We believe in providing financial solutions for people regardless of their credit score. There's no credit needed and no hard credit checks. Let me stress this again. No hard credit checks. So this does not affect your credit score when you apply. You may be wondering, how big of credit can I get? At NetPay Advance, you can get up to $3,000. We hope this video helped you better understand a line of credit and how you can get one. As always, if you have any financial problems, feel free to visit netpayadvance.com. And if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.